Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about whether you can upload a song made with Suno AI on YouTube. Let's break it down simply. Suno AI has different plans on their official website. There's the basic plan, the pro plan, and the premier plan. Each one gives you different rights when it comes to how you can use the music you create. The basic plan only allows non-commercial use. That means you can make songs for personal listening, share them with friends, or post them on non-monetized platforms. But you cannot upload those songs to YouTube if your channel makes money, or use them on streaming services like Spotify or Apple Music. Now, the Pro and Premier plans are different. These plans include commercial rights. That means you can upload your songs to YouTube, even on a monetized channel. You can also release them on platforms like Spotify or YouTube Music, sell copies of your songs, or even use them in videos, TV shows, or games. So here's the short answer. If you're using the free or basic plan, you should not upload your Suno AI songs to YouTube, especially if you plan to monetize the video. If you have a Pro or Premier plan, then yes, you can upload your Suno AI songs to YouTube and earn money from them. Always double-check the latest terms on Suno's website just to make sure the rules haven't changed. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.